Welcome back to Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and that is a 1970 Plymouth Super Bee. This is one badass car. It's got the 4-speed with a pistol grip shifter, numbers matching 383. And everyone loves the Chargers, but for me, the coolest Mopar I think is the Super Bee.
I have to agree. Roadrunners are cool too, but a lot of people had them.
That shows you how many Super Bees we get. You know, they're hard to find.
It's been a long day is what it shows you.
We'll walk around in the 8 videos.
It's like our 9.
But this just shows you here the quality of it. The engine compartment all painted just as nicely as the outside of the car. You got the right Super Bee hood. Again, the numbers matching 383. They left the right manifolds. No one went ahead and put goofy headers on it. They just left it right.
Yeah.
Power steering.
Yeah. Factory fender tag.
That's nice to have. And Shay decoded it all on our website. So you can go to coyoteclassics.com, check out all the decodes.
Shay already did the hard work.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, I mean, this is just, open the hood, you can tell immediately the quality of the car.
This is definitely a show quality car, not a trailer queen, but a show quality car you can be very proud of. Pistol grip 4-speed. It does have the tick-tock tack as well. And I know Justin's going to work on that.
Yep.
We're going to work on some other things he's ordered for the gauges.
Yep, a lot of the gauges stuff he diagnosed and ordered some stuff, but it takes a while for that stuff to get in. So we wanted to be able to get it on the website, and then when this is sold, before it ships out,
we're going to make sure those gauges work. I'm going to let you do this one, D.
Yeah, this is an easy one. I don't mind doing these easy ones, but there's not much to point out. But yeah, I mean, the Super Bee hood's iconic. I love the front bumpers on these two, the split. You got the little bumblebee. And in my opinion, it's the best color for a Super Bee, that yellow and black. Looks like these front bumpers could be original.
Is perfect.
Yeah, it is. Front bumpers could be original. You got just a few little minor scuffs on them, showing their age. But
they're nice though, ain't
yeah, they look.
Like you said, just a little bit.
They look new until you get right up close.
Oh, and then right there, yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool that it is still original and that good a shape.
Yeah, especially on a Mopar. It seemed like a lot of these didn't last very well.
Got your turn signal indicators up here.
Yep. Hood lines up awesome. Got all the right emblems. Right wheels and tires. You have a small scratch right here.
This paint job's older too.
Yeah.
I mean, this restoration was older. Original interior, as far as I know, is what I was told. Got one tiny little speck right there. A little bit of rust right there. Little bubble, very, very small. Did you have this one up in the air, D?
I did. It's really nice and solid underneath. Undercarriage pictures will be on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Door lines up great. Really nice gap.
Even the handles are original, but nice shape.
Yeah.
Really nice shape.
Final top was done really nicely.
Back shelf, top of the back seat is excellent as well.
Looks like it's gonna start sprinkling on us here, so we'll go through this one quick and get her back dried off and in the showroom. Like you said, older paint, but look at just how nice it is. You know, beautiful finish, really straight up and down the sides. Got the right B stripes.
One little thing, D, and I just seen it, not to, you can see it right there, but you won't be able to, I can't even feel it, but from that angle, I just had a tiny, tiny little ding here, but I can't even feel it rubbing it across, so they're not worth mentioning. The Cooper Cobras look great on this, don't they? With those rally wheels. Corner of the door is awesome, original.
Door panels are in great shape.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, that's original. No one's changed that.
Slight yellowing. That's what I like about this car too, is it's got some of that originality still in it. Love the pistol grip 4-speed. Headliner looks good. Seats are in good shape. We did have the interior guy fix a little spot on the original driver's seat, and he did a really good job at that.
Even the seat backs and stuff are still good, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely original. Sweet.
Well, I don't know about the original seats.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like it to me if you look at the stitching, but again, everything's so hard. It's all judgment, right? Back seat's nice.
A dash pad looks good, don't it? Wood grain. You can tell a couple of spots in the wood grain sticker is just off just a little bit, but that's nice. I'm excited about driving this one.
I'll grab the trunk keys quick.
Perfect. Now, Super Bee stripes, the Super Bee hood, you could get in two different ones. I love the hood on this one. And also I like the Super Bee stripe rather than the C stripe, the big stripe.
Yeah.
I like this better.
Yeah.
That's just personal, again, personal preference. Back bumper is beautiful. I know you said the front one looked original. Yeah, same thing.
And this is original.
Looks perfect almost, but you got a couple little spots on it. This back panel is good. It's original, a couple little scratches in it, but all in all,
They did a nice job with the paint and all the jams as well.
They really did. You know, again, number of years ago, but did a nice job. Lips all good here. They did not paint the inside of the trunk. That's something a guy can do if you want to. It's just all painted black, so a guy can definitely paint that body color if you want to. You're never done restoring these things.
No.
You know, and when you get them, you kind of want to put a little personal touch or do a couple little things yourself a lot of times, but it's nice to buy one that's already really nice. Just like this, we're going to go ahead and replace the gauges and stuff like that and make sure all those work and just get things ready to go. Love the dual exhaust. Looks good. Got a little tiny little chip right here. Bottom of the quarter is awesome. Over the wheel well is in great shape as well. There's your in front of the quarter where they usually get some rust. I don't see any issues there whatsoever. Got a few little paint chips right along the edge here. There. Other than that, looks nice.
And it is just neat to have some of that originality on this car. I like the numbers matching,
Super
383
solid,
and
no
original
bubbles.
trim on it. It's neat to have that stuff on a muscle car like this. A lot of times they didn't last.
Like I said, a couple different hoods you could get in the Super B, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's my favorite of the two. Should say more, could you get the lift-off hood probably too. Door panel is in nice shape. Steering wheel is excellent. He did a nice job fixing that seat, didn't he?
He did, yeah.
There's like a rip right in here. He did a nice job. Huh. As far as the seats go, nice seats. Padding, like I said, the original yours is probably a little better than mine. It's got 80,338 miles on the odometer. Judging by the condition of stuff, very well possible it's original.
And these things too, sitting in these, you feel like you have so much room. You know, they're so roomy.
Yeah, yeah.
You sit nice and down in them.
Kind of like a CUDA. You know, you sit low, don't you?
Yeah.
Wipers work good. Temperature gauge works. Oil pressure gauge works. Amp gauge works. So all three of those work right now. I think you guys worked on them. Gas gauge is not working right now. It could be the gauge, could be the sending unit. And the tick-tock tack isn't working. So tick-tock tack, if we have to order another one, if we can get one, we're going to replace that and make sure the gas gauge works. What do we got?
Dome light works.
Yep. I'm excited to drive this thing. It feels so good. Man, it's about as tall as we are up here.
Heater fan does not work on here. Remember Justin looked at that too.
Okay. Yeah, this is the Coronet RT. Remember I said that one all moves freely?
Yep. They just don't. I mean, this design wasn't the best.
AM radio at least clicks at least. Huh? This at least
Cool
is there.
Yeah, absolutely.
It moves. Huh. Good deal. Power steering's nice. Horn does not work, but I don't know if it's just something simple because it all feels like it's all the spring and everything's all there.
So as mentioned, we go through them before they go out too. So there's still a couple things on this that we diagnosed and had to order some parts for. But
as far as the clutch, feels really nice on this.
yeah.
Speedometer works good, which is good because then it means our odometer 80,000 is working good too. Brakes are awesome. I didn't notice if it was disc or drum on it, but I can tell you probably disc. It felt like disc, but the power, it didn't have power brakes, so it has to be disc.
Yep.
Second gear scratch. Alignment's excellent. Steering wheel needs to be adjusted just a little bit, but as far as the alignment's awesome, power's great.
The fun part with that pistol grip, it just adds to the fun of driving it.
It does. It does. You just wrap your hands right around that thing. I never hit fourth gear that whole time, so the gears are really nice in this as well. Speedometer seemed like it worked excellent. So clutch is good. Turn signal indicators work on the hood. Jerk the tires first, second, third.
And then numbers matching 383 still got it, man.
This thing's like a 6-speed almost.
Yeah.
I mean,
got good gears.
it's really good gears. Again, here's your brakes, guys. A quality car.
It's a nice
Once
car.
we get this last little finishing touches with the
gauges
tack and stuff,
Yep.
horn fix, that's about all she needs. This
Yeah.
is a nice one.
Yeah, that's nice. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Just an iconic Mopar. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.